Dear friends, today let us discuss about 11 stocks including TVS Motors, Maruti Suzuki, etc. Those have announced bonus or stock split or dividend. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Good luck India. Share is trading around rupees 935 per share. Company announced a dividend of rupees 20 per share. Both the ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. Vertos Advertising Limited. Share is trading around rupees 825 per share. This company announced a bonus and stock split. Record date and ex-date is not at all finalized. Maruti Suzuki. Share is trading around rupees 12,675 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 26th April 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring Q4 and dividend. Shukra Pharmaceuticals Limited. Share is trading around rupees 319 per share. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 10 shares of Shukra Pharmaceuticals, you will get 30 shares as bonus. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is not at all finalized. Balaxy Pharmaceuticals Limited. Share is trading around rupees 566 per share. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 10 shares of Balaxy Pharmaceuticals, your 10 shares convert to 50 shares. Ex-date and record date is not at all finalized. TVS Motors. Share is trading around rupees 2,100. Company announced a stock bonus in the ratio 4:1. That means if you have 10 shares of TVS Motors, you will get 40 shares as bonus. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is not at all finalized. NAB Books. Current price is 255. This company announced a bonus share in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of NAB Books, you will get 200 shares as bonus. Both the ex-bonus date and record date is 19th April 2024. Dipna Pharmachem Limited. It is a penny stock and the current price is rupees 10. Company announced a board meeting on 26th April. Purpose of the board meeting is stock split and bonus. Orient Cement Limited. Share is trading around rupees 217 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 1st May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is Q4 and dividend. Blue Star Limited. Share is trading around rupees 1,417 per share. Company announced a board meeting on 2nd May 2024. Purpose of the board meeting is Q4 and dividend. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.